Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor, and we got a powerful day coming to Fair Texas Tittle McKinney on January 25th, starting at 10 a.m. for 2 hours for a 2-hour TREC CE certified course. We're going to go through the first page of Google with custom maps. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get to the first page of Google by going out and creating a Google MyMap. I'm going to show you, and then you're actually going to get a chance to do it right there in the class. Then after a short break, starting at 12:30, we're going to do 1-hour coaching sessions, one-on-one, to where we can discuss your hardware, software, website, lead generation, video marketing needs, anything that you need to help to build and grow your business. I'm going to help you with during that 1-hour call. And we're going to do those from 12:30 to 1:30, 1:30 to 2:30, 2:30 to 3:30, and so on. This is something that we can do via Zoom, or we can actually do that in person. The preferred method, of course, is going to be in person there at the office. So look forward to seeing you guys on January 25th. Thanks.